Hello everyone, and I welcome you all to your channel Linguistic Melange. And I am your teacher Kishwar Nazli. As I told you in the last program, in the last video, that we would begin with four components of negative messages. In the last video, I discussed that what are negative messages, what are the significance of negative messages. Now we would begin with the four components of the negative news or negative messages, which is also known as indirect or bad news letters or correspondence. So when we write negative news, we have to follow the four components. First one is buffer, then we write reasons, and then along with reasons we write the bad news itself, and then closing, positive closing. So today we will discuss about buffer. Buffer is basically a device, or you can say technique, to reduce pain or shock. You are setting the stage at this time, so there should not be the hint of any negative or bad news in this stage. So you will just write one or maximum two lines by writing something with best news, compliment, appreciation. Sometimes you can write some agreement, some facts, some understanding, some apology. So for example, if you have to reject a person, a candidate for jobs, obviously we cannot hire everybody. So we can just not start like that, okay, you are not being hired, we are sorry. No, we have to write the buffer in one or two lines, that thank you for approaching us, thank you for putting your faith in us, thank you for applying here in our reputable organization or whatever. So similarly, for example, any compliment, for example, our sincere attitude, or for example any appreciation, like you are the smart customer, that you have booked your order in time. So these are the things which we can begin with, or we can convey thanks to our customer or our clients to whom we are writing, like for example, thanks for telling us about your experience at our hotel and for giving a chance to look into the situation. It means that when we are going to write negative news, we have to set the strategy. Like every piece of writing demands some rewriting, some strategies to make it perfect. Similarly, before writing negative news, we have to set the mind of customers or clients. And when we write buffer, like buffer is a neutral or positive or non-controversial statement closely related to the point of messages, establishing common ground with the reader. So we can obviously pay thanks, we have to be respectful, and it must be relevant to the situation or events, or it must be neutral. Like these first opening lines, you should not reveal anything. Or here after buffer, you have to provide the smooth transition to the reason, and in the next video inshallah I will discuss that how can we transit smoothly from buffer to the reason. Till then, take care. You please ask questions, write in the comment box, so that I can make some further lessons on it. So I would ask you to write me, do write me on comment. Allah Hafiz, take care.